Ooh, I'm here in front of the abortion clinic and someone else has a sports car that they just came in here. Of course, I'm having to gear up because of the rain. Now these ladies over here with the rainbow umbrellas are actually, they don't protect people from the rain. They try to shield people from the truth of the message that they are murdering an unborn child. Looks like his so-called man is with this lady here. That chunky escort lady's with him. I'm going to stay most of this in the car because I have to be careful about my equipment getting wet. That chunky ladies over here, they have no shame as they bring people to murder their children. This is Kenny. I'm outside the abortion clinic here at 4 Office Drive. I'm having I didn't know if they had a tent or not. If they had a tent, I might have put my stuff underneath it, but for now I'm just going to kind of have to hide the camcorder in here. It's just too much with the weather. And somebody's got a van with an AC in it. Looks like they're maybe living out of the van. Hold on, let me turn off. Babies are murdered here. Absolutely. What's a shame is the Catholic Church and other so-called Christian organizations don't really do much of an effort in terms of funding or resources, so we're left with scraps while they devote most of the Catholic Church cares far more about illegal aliens than doing anything regarding us. I'm going to try to get out here. Got my umbrella, but it's going to be next to impossible to try to. And I'll make some comments afterwards on my phone. I don't want to do it out here because I've already got more than I know what to do with already. There, there's a guy. And a sport. I guess that's Mr. Sports Car. Yeah, most abortions are done supposedly for financial reasons, and yet we know for a fact that most of these people live richer than 90% of the world. I got a black lady there, and that's what they do. They try to grabbing her arm. That lady looks like she doesn't even capable of clinic escort. She has a cell phone. She can definitely afford a child, and of course she can give it up for adoption. So we have braved the weather to come here. These are Prolife. These are stones dedicated to those murdered by the abortion clinic.
Man, I'm not sure if it's your car, but I saw one of the people that had the baby on board sticker on the back. Do you realize that every single one of them today has a baby on board?
They are designed and programmed to be soulless.
Somebody just pulled up in a $65,000 Corvette.
I know, that's what I was looking at, the sports car. Hold on, let me turn off here while I adjust the tripod on this thing.